Hey guys, it's Carrie and I'm here to share with you my October design team project for TsunamiRose. I made a traveler's notebook using the French Classifieds journal kit. So the front cover I made with burlap scrap paper. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's got these beautiful black flowers on it. Here's what the back looks like. Little sneaky peek at the inside here. And then I just tied it with some beautiful kind of a, dusty rose, I guess I'm going to say. Just an easy little ribbon. So here we go. Let's have a look. I have put a little bulb pin that I made just with some pretty little iridescent beads. And then I've got a couple different types of lace throughout. So let's go ahead and have a little flip through. Okay, so on the inside cover, I just have got a strip of the burlap that I made a pocket, and then I made a little hidden pocket for this journal. So it's just a piece of material, flip up, and then the tag in here says handmade with love. Obviously this is a pocket. I put a little lace, a little flower with some cheesecloth behind it, and then just sewed on. So that just slips right into here. I've got some music paper on the front. Whoops, gotta fold that over a little bit better. This is linen paper and I just stitched a doily to it. Here's one of the images from the kit, Hotel Burgundy, and I put a little lace here. Here's a little tag from the kit, Eiffel Tower, and then I made like a paper side tuck, kind of a pocket, but it's like a kind of a messy stitched scraps sort of situation. And this was inspired by Amity Bloom. So I made one of those. I sewed some lace up the side here. I've got coffee dyed paper in here. Here's a little piece of fabric with a gasoline coupon. Another gorgeous image from the kit. Love the back side of the paper with the balloons. Let's see what I did here. This is a piece of linen paper. Whoops. And what did I do? Oh, it's just a little flip out. So I sewed one of the images from the kit just onto some coffee dyed paper. I was thinking it was an envelope for 1 second, and I'm like, no, I know it's not. So that I will put back here shortly. This is linen paper. This is fabric washi tape. That just flips out. Here is the back side, and I've just put a piece of scratch paper in there for extra journaling. And then this is cool. I don't know if you can see it. It's just, it's like, I mean, I guess it's probably really kind of plastic, but I just thought it was cool. So I have those tucked in there. I made a little side tuck glassine pocket, and I distressed it, tucked a little coffee dyed paper in there, and then I just have got some little scraps of paper, and this is an image from the kit. Tucked a little bit of cheesecloth on there, so just made a pocket. A little more lace up the side. Got some more music paper. This is mulberry paper. Love working with that stuff. It's so soft, so pretty. I just glued this image on from the kit, and on the back side I have another one of those just coffee dyed sheets that I glued an image to, or not glued but actually sewed. Here's some more linen paper with a doily that I sewed on. There's the back side image from the kit, and I have got a piece of fabric sewn on here. Here's another one of those messy stitched side belly bands that I made. I've got a little envelope here that I added into just a little cut off piece of coffee dyed paper. Here is a larger envelope. I left the flap on that actually allows this to unstick, so I just left it on there. But I sewed on the Eiffel Tower, and I actually even put some book page behind it, some Edith Holden book page, just so I could have extra words. More mulberry paper, French Classifieds. Got some more linen paper. This time I sewed on just a scrap of fabric with the doily. Here is one of the ephemera pieces from the kit. Look how pretty. Gosh, I always just think, wouldn't it be cool to go back in time and have been a part of that era? Be amazing. Here's the center of my signature. So I just have got 2 coffee dyed pockets. I put some butterflies and then just some various ephemera pieces on the inside. There's the back side. Look at their outfits. Like, look at that dress. And I always think, I bet that dress weighed a lot and you were probably really hot. Like literally really hot walking around in it with your big hat every day. But that's the way it goes. Here's a little bird. Got some more lace. This is an envelope that I just clipped in that comes with the kit. And then another flip out here with the linen paper, and that's fabric washi. Made in a little another side tuck here with a glassine distressed, and put some wallpaper cutoffs in there and just some extra coffee dyed paper. This is the back side of that smaller piece that I put in. Here's another one of my strips that I made. These were so fun to make. You're just sewing it together. I used my glue stick to hold them into place, and then you just stitch them and then attach them to your pages. Messy, and I love the messy look. I put some lace and some fabric there. This girl I made, so she is an ephemera piece that comes with the kit, and I backed her onto some tuxedo cardstock that I had. I put a little cheesecloth on there, and then just this little stamp that's also ephemera from the kit. Behind it is a linen page, and that's just some more fabric washi. So she's just tucked in. She can be moved anywhere, any way you want to. More paper. This is an envelope. Put some postal mail washi tape in there. It's also glued down, but I just liked that for a little extra touch. And then that ephemera piece comes from the kit. So I just cut it out, distressed it, and glued it on. Got some more music paper, more coffee dyed paper. I printed front and back on my digitals, which I love doing now these days. Another big picture of the Eiffel Tower. Another large piece of lace here, and then one more of my Crazy Stitch side pockets. I think that's my last digital image, and then this just flips out. And back, music paper. And then I made a tuxedo pocket at the end. I've got this beautiful eyelet lace, a butterfly, some cheesecloth, and then just a blank tag that has been a little bit distressed. I have some coffee dyed seam binding, and then I made a little bulb pin, again with some more iridescent beads, only this time the color I used is a little bit of a, kind of a, I don't know what, a little bit gold, a little bit pink, a little bit peach, but cool nonetheless. So that's it. There's the back without the ribbon. Here's the front. Take that ribbon off just so you can see how gorgeous that actually is. I love it. So pretty. And then, boom, here's the center. So there we go. French Classifieds is the kit that I used. Traveler's Notebook size. And again, this is my October design team project for TsunamiRose. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.